So we're going to talk about there's two different types of solar. First, we're going to talk about solar photovoltaic. And this is exactly what you see, these solar panels that you see on buildings and homes a lot of the time. Solar panels you see probably in a lot of different places now, even on light posts and things like that. How these work is these are the one exception to moving a magnet in a coil of wires. There is not a magnet or coil of wires for this. What happens is the sunlight, the photons from the sunlight hit the solar panel and they cause an electron to jump from a lower energy state to a higher energy state. You may remember from chemistry, or you may not remember from chemistry. They'll talk about different orbitals or different energy levels. And so, what happens is when the electron jumps to this higher energy level, um, it's excited, but then it's going to fall back to a lower energy level. And as it falls, as those electrons fall, you create a current. A current is a flow of electrons. So, that is how solar photovoltaic works. Again, there's no magnet, there's no coil of wires in this. There's also no burning. So my advantage is there's no burning. It's renewable because it's from the sun. And another advantage is you can create a highly decentralized power grid. This is why you start seeing solar panels on the top of lights, or you maybe see them like your speed. What is your speed? And you see a solar panel on it. They don't have to plug it in then. This is going to generate the electricity that it needs. And so you can put these in more remote locations and things like that. So a lot of advantages that way. Disadvantages, they're not super efficient and they can be fairly expensive. And they're getting cheaper, but again, can still be expensive. Some people would say they're very ugly because of the glare. And again, it's not big one is it's not going to work 24 hours a day. It does not work when it's dark out. So it's not going to work 24 hours a day. And it's going to work better in some locations than others. So Chicago area, it works, but it's not going to work nearly as well as in some places of Arizona in the desert where there's less clouds and things like that. So this is going to be a disadvantage is again not working 24 hours a day, and it works better in some locations than others. This is not a solution completely on its own because again it's not generating electricity 24 hours a day.